Hey, party people. Have I found the perfect packable camping chair? Maybe. This is from a company called Grand Trunk, and this is the Compass 360-degree Swivel Stool. It retails for $69.99, so just under $70. It comes in this neat little package here that serves as like a sling. It has an adjustable carry strap on the back with a little buckle, so you could wear it as a sling across your chest, wear it around your waist, or wear it on your back, under your arm, however you want to typically wear a sling. You have these attachment points on the end of the bag that are also counter pull points for the zipper, making it easy to open and close. You also have this MOLLE webbing across the front if you wanted to attach this to the outside of a backpack or duffel bag, or if you wanted to attach some carabiners and other gear to the outside of this, like if you had a little camping mug or something else that you wanted to include in your camping setup. You have that ability here with all these little attachment points. This stool allows you to swivel 360 degrees, as the name implies. So when you're sitting in it, you're able to pivot around and you don't have to keep it in one stationary position. It sits very low to the ground for some added stability, and it has foam padding throughout the seat for some added comfort. The setup is super easy. It's got a lifetime warranty in case anything goes wrong, and it weighs just 1 pound. So this is really easily packable. Whether you want to throw this into your personal item backpack to have a packable camping chair when you're traveling minimally, if you want to bring it on a camping trip with you and sit by the bonfire enjoying some s'mores and some adult beverages, if you want to take it to your kid's soccer game and sit in the grass, or if you just want to go get drunk, tailgate, and go watch a concert, loaded out of your mind and ready to fall over into a crowd of people screaming at the top of your lungs, this fits into all those situations. When you're sitting on the ground, the seat has a 15-inch height, so again, it's low to the ground, but not too low where it's uncomfortable. It's got a 260-pound capacity, so that's well within my weight limits, thankfully, and I think that's pretty generous for a small camping stool that's foldable. Its folded dimensions are 11 by 3 by 3 inches, and now let me show you how easy this is to set up. If I unzip the bag, you have 2 pieces. You have the little triangular padded seat, and the seat's really nice because it has all the little attachment points for the poles. You also have this little mesh netting at the bottom if you need some kind of storage. If you need to throw some gear when you're sitting down at a campsite, you can store it under the seat. The seat itself is made from a 450D polyester, making it extremely durable, weatherproof, and waterproof. And then the frame is a 7000 series genuine aluminum frame. So if you unfold it, it locks into place, and that's where the seat goes on the top here, on these 3 little bars here. And then the legs have these nice little rubber feet, and they lock into position. So if you just fold that all out, then you take the seat and you take these little loops here and you work them over these little bars where they sit on. And the nice thing is that these little loops also have these little pull cords on them. So it makes it easy when it's really tight when you first buy it to kind of pull it down and get some extra force and a little gripability when you're pulling it over these bars. So let's get it hooked up. And I'll use this little pull tab to give me some extra leverage to kind of pop it on. Do the same thing on this back one. Pop that into place. And then all you have is the front here. And there you go, it's all together. And like I said, you have that 360-degree swivel. So if you're sitting down and your friend's over here and another friend's over here and this person's annoying, you can go, whoop, I ain't talking to you anymore. I'm going this direction. So I think that swivel action is really nice. You can see the 15-inch height here. See these really stable aluminum legs. Feels very robust, well-structured, and durable. Here's those little pull tabs I mentioned that help you pull down onto these little bars here. And then here's the little nylon mesh storage sleeve that's underneath the seat in case you needed to store some gear away. Now, let me sit my fat butt on this thing and put it to the test. Hopefully it can hold my fat butt. Let's see. And here's the stool all set up in front of my beautiful Christmas tree. So let's see how this holds up to holding up my fat butt. So sitting down on this is really easy. Actually, for a stool, it's incredibly comfortable because of the padding on it. I really like this swivel action. As I said, you can go 360 degrees, so you don't have to be stationary with this. If I wanted to store some gear underneath, I could easily reach it while I'm sitting on the stool. This is the perfect thing to bring to a tailgate, to bring to a camping trip, or to just sit on at your kid's sporting event. It feels very high quality. I'm 240 pounds for reference, and this has a 260 pound weight limit. This is 15 inches tall. It feels like a good height for sitting. I don't feel like I'm crouched down. It's comfortable. I like the maneuverability of it. It feels very well structured. It doesn't feel like it's buckling under my weight or feels like it's gonna break or anything. It actually just feels really nice. So for such a small packable stool, this thing performs admirably. I don't see any issues with the durability, the comfort, the ease of setup. And then when you're done with it, just pull the top off, fold these legs down, fold these bars down, and then you can kind of wrap it up in the seat, and you can put it right back into its storage container. Super easy to bring with you. So now, to prove its packability, I'm going to load it into one of my favorite personal item size backpacks. This is the Cabin Zero Military 28-liter backpack. So here's the folded down frame. Here's the seat. If I fold that up, I can put it right back into its storage container and zip that up. Easily contained in this little sling bag here. Then, for the military 28-liter backpack, I just have a 32-ounce clean canteen in the water bottle pocket. And on the inside, I've got my med pouch, my TomToc tech pouch, my Lockbee field folio, my Bellroy hanging toiletry kit, and my Peak Design medium packing cube full of a week's worth of clothes. So let's see if we can fit this on the inside here. And it looks great. It looks like it'll definitely fit. Zip it up. Clip up these cinch straps. And there you go. You have a personal item backpack with everything you would need for a week-long journey in a personal item only. And you also have the added benefit of bringing your own little camping chair. So this is great if you want to pack minimally, but also have some creature comforts when you're out on a camping trip, hiking trip, backpacking trip, or something like that. So when it's all said and done, I think the Compass 360-degree swivel stool from Grand Trunk is an excellent buy. This is very packable, allows you to have a place to sit when you're tailgating, at your kid's soccer game, in your backyard at a barbecue, or just when you're camping, and also allows you to pack it into a personal item only backpack and bring it on the road with you if you need to bring a chair on any of your travel adventures. So I really have nothing negative to say about this at all. It's durable, it's comfortable. I like that it's maneuverable and 360-degree swivel. It's built extremely well. It has a nice little carrying case sling that comes with it. And they've really thought of everything when it comes to having a packable, easy to use travel stool for camping and other activities. If you have any other camping chairs that you'd like me to review, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to check them out and do a future video. If you want to pick up any of the gear that I've decided not to keep, check out my eBay link in the description below. Make me an offer and I'm likely to accept. Check out my merch link for any of my awesome merch. Go to my Instagram page, click on the link in the bio if you want to see all the current discounts that I'm involved with, if you want to get 10 to 25% off any of the awesome gear that I've showcased. Thank you as always for watching. This channel wouldn't be possible without all of your awesome discussion, ideas, anecdotes, suggestions, and engagement. So I thank you sincerely for all the interactions thus far. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.